Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina,
That was
Harnett County in
freaking
central
delayed.
North Carolina, north central Cumberland County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, southern Wake County in central North Carolina, Johnston County in central North Carolina, southeastern Chatham County in central North Carolina until 6:45 p.m.
This is kind of a
At
bigger one.
6:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cary to near Fewkey, Varina to 9 miles east of Sanford, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Sanford, Smithfield, Lillington, Garner, Fewkey, Varina, Clayton, Dunn, and Angier. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly.
Well, y'all, this was totally unexpected at all. Why did it fuzz out? This was unexpected. I didn't expect to get a second one. What a good start to the month.